Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. Alright, before we move towards our today's lesson, let's see what we have learned in previous lesson. In previous lesson, we learned some vocabulary words and counting from 11 to 15. I hope you have watched that lesson. If you haven't and you want to watch it, you can always go back and watch lesson 14. Now, let's see how to say Friday in Urdu. Friday is one of the days of the week. In English, we say Friday, and in Urdu, Jumma. Jumma. Okay. Now let's learn to name some things around us in Urdu. Alright, so the first thing is home. Home. In English we say home. In Urdu it is ghar. Ghar. The second word is room. In our home, we have many rooms. So in English, we say room, and in Urdu, it is kamra. 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 Next word is floor. Floor. We walk on the floor. In English, we say floor. In Urdu, it is zameen. Zameen. Now let's repeat these words one more time. In English, home. In Urdu, ghar. In English, room. In Urdu, kamra. In English, floor. In Urdu, zameen. Repeat these words many times for practice. Alright, now let's learn a few more words. The next word is bed. We sleep on the bed. Bed. In English, bed. In Urdu, bistar. Bistar. Next word is table. Table. In English, table, and in Urdu, mez. Mez. Next word is chair. In English, we say chair. We sit on the chair, right? In Urdu, it is kursi. Kursi. Now let's repeat these words one more time. Bed in English. Bistar in Urdu. In English, table. In Urdu, mez. In English, chair. In Urdu, kursi. Repeat many times for practice. Okay? Alright, now let's learn to say. Alright, before we learn this sentence, I hope you do remember how do we say this and that in Urdu. This is ye and that is wo. Alright, so the sentence is this is a bed, or this is a chair, or this is a table. So how do we say all these sentences in Urdu? Well, this is a bed. And in Urdu it is ये बिस्तर है. Then this is a chair. And in Urdu ये कुर्सी है. Then this is a table. And in Urdu ये मेज है. Alright. In these sentences we said this. So the things were close to us and we were telling about them. How about the things are far away and we are talking about them? We are going to say that is a bed, or that is a chair, or that is a table. So how do we say that in Urdu? We say that is a bed in English, and in Urdu वो बिस्तर है. Then if the sentence is that is a chair, so in Urdu we say वो कुर्सी है. Then if the sentence is that is a table, so in Urdu we say, very good, yes, we say वो मेज है. Now repeat many times for practice, okay? So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. Watch the lesson and repeat many times for practice. I will see you into the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.